Hello, greetings everyone. In this video we are going to see the implementation of RFID based secure authentication system. RFID based secure authentication system is used in corporate offices, in businesses, in industries or in colleges. It is used in corporate offices and in business or industries for a particular individual trying to access a system for secure authentication, and in colleges it is used for simple applications like attendance system. The estimated time to complete this experiment is 1 week, and the objective of implementing this experiment is to implement a system based on RFID sensor to identify the authorized and unauthorized individuals by using the RFID technology that will be consisting of the RFID tag and the RFID reader. The RFID tag will be issued to the employee or the student. Expected outcome of this experiment is that the RFID based authentication should be implemented smoothly. Here we can have multiple number of tags which will be approximated to the tag reader for authentication and authorization, so the system should be able to handle all these tags smoothly. This is a website that we referred for implementing this project, which is randomnerdtutorials.com. The new concepts we will be learning by implementing this experiment is monitoring the sensor data using the serial monitor. The serial monitor is present in the Arduino IDE under the tools section, which will be monitoring all the unique identification number which is captured by the RFID tag reader and sending it to the system. Second one is interfacing the sensors with Arduino, that is the interfacing of other hardware components with the Arduino board. The tools that we require for implementing this experiment is Arduino Uno, RFID reader, RFID tags. This is a pin diagram of the Arduino Uno board and the RFID RC522 tag reader. The jumper connections from the RFID tag reader to the Arduino Uno board is shown here. The original implementation will be shown in the later part of this video. This is how the system will look when the RFID based authentication system will be implemented. The operation of this system will be demonstrated in the later part of this video. This is a program code which will be burning on the Arduino Uno board via the Arduino IDE. So we will jump to the Arduino IDE to understand this program line by line. This is the Arduino IDE. We will understand the code line by line. The first line is #include spi.h. This will include all the serial input and output connections of the Arduino with the interfacing sensors. #include frc522.h. This will include all the libraries for the RFID tag reader which we will be going to interface with the Arduino. Now we will define the set and reset pin connections of the RFID tag reader with the Arduino. This is done by defining the set and reset pins using these commands. Now we will need to initiate serial communication between the RFID tag reader and the Arduino board. For this we define a baud rate of 9600 and to initiate serial communication we must approximate our card to the reader, and the user should be able to know that the system is ready for accepting the card. So we will print this line, approximate your card to the reader, while when the system is searching for new cards. Now there will be multiple cards that will be accessing the system, so we need to select any one of them and check its unique identification number. For that purpose we use this line of cards, this line of codes. Now we need to have the sense data from the RFID tag to be shown on the serial monitor. The RFID tag reader consists of the unique identification number as well as certain other data that can be printed, that can be etched into the RFID chip, into the chip that is present in the RFID tag reader. So for reading all that data and the unique identification number on the serial monitor we use this line of codes. Now there must be a database present in the system to allow a particular individual to access the system. So I have for simplicity purpose, I have given here the 8 digit code or the unique identification number of single RFID tag in the system. If the person with this unique identification number tries to access the system, he will be given the access, and message saying authorized access will be displayed on the serial monitor. If any other user is trying to access other than the one mentioned in the system, the access denied message will be printed. Now we will see the hardware implementation of this whole system. This is the hardware implementation of our RFID based authentication system. Here we have our Arduino IDE, which has a program for authenticating the RFID tag readers, and this program is already being uploaded to the hardware Arduino board. Here we can see the Arduino board and the RFID RC522 tag reader being connected. The pin diagram, the pin connections are as shown in the pin diagram, which are explained previously. Now we are going to open the serial monitor in the Arduino IDE using tools. And serial monitor. Now here it is showing to approximate your card to reader. We are now going to use the RFID tags that we have. This is the first RFID tag that we are going to approximate to the RFID tag reader. And as soon as we place this card near to the RFID tag reader, the serial monitor shows access given to particular individual. If I again place the card near to the RFID tag reader, it will show the unique identification number of the tag and access given to individual. We can add as many individuals as we can in this database. For simplicity purpose, I have only uploaded 2 individuals identification numbers, which are given by this 4-digit unique ID. We can conclude this experiment by saying that the system was for individual authentication and authorization was implemented using the Arduino and the RFID sensor, and the sensed data was monitored using serial monitor. The unauthorized accessing to the system was denied and alerted through the serial monitor. Thank you.